Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing a total game changer for my aquarium setup. This is the Chihiros W100, a high-performance LED light designed to bring out the most vibrant colors in plants and fish. First impressions, the packaging is solid. The light itself is incredibly sleek, with a slim aluminum body that looks amazing and stays cool. It's built for both open-top and closed-top tanks. Inside the box, you get the adjustable stainless steel legs, the power adapter, and the manual. The best part? It's fully controllable via the My Chihiros app, allowing you to customize the intensity and set a natural sunrise and sunset cycle. Check out these LEDs. The spectrum is specifically tuned to make reds and greens pop like never before. I'm installing this on my Juwel W100, even though one unit is a massive upgrade over the stock Multilux. I'll likely add a second one later to ensure perfect coverage from front to back. And here it is in action. Look at that depth and clarity. My angelfish and plants have never looked this good. It feels like a slice of nature right in my living room. I'm beyond happy with the results. Let me know in the comments what you think of this light, and don't forget to subscribe to see how this tank evolves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.